Hello everyone. Today I Bhavigopal is going to tell about my project that is privilege identity management that will include overview and setup prerequisites for roles and licenses, explore just in time, configure Azure roles in privilege identity management, including settings and assignments, configure Azure roles in PIM, including settings and assignments, configure privilege access groups, set up PIM request and approval process, analyze PIM audits, history and reports, create and manage break class accounts, explore eligible and active roles, set the time limit of the roles. So now we will move towards our project that is privilege identity management. First of all, we will type here Azure Active Directory. So here is it. After that, we will go to the user option and select the username. Then we will go to the option of assigned roles to check whether the roles are being assigned or not. So there are the two assignments that are being running at the time. So we will add one more assignment. So for that, we will go to the privilege identity management. Now here we will search about Microsoft Entra roles. After that, we will go towards the assign eligibility by clicking on it. Here we will write EI administrator. Now we will add the assignment as all the settings that are there will be remain default. Only we will add the members by clicking on select members. So here is the one user that is Bhavigopal. We will click on it and we will select the option. Now we will move toward the next option. Assignment type will remain eligible, but we will change the time duration for permanent. We will choose it 31st of December 2025. So after that, we will assign it and it will take some time for getting assigned as assigning role to the member Bhavik will show the assignment is being added in the list. Now we will now you can see the assignment in the list. Now again we will go to the Microsoft Azure directory and user, select the username. From here we will copy the ID. Now we will open new Chrome page and select Azure portal. Now we will sign in here with that ID. So that ID is being added here before only. So we will click on it. Now we will go to the privilege identity management PIM. Now we'll go to my role section. Here we can see AI administrator that we had added the role in the previous Chrome page, but it is not activated till now. Now we will activate it by clicking on the activate option. So here it is validating the request. As the validating request is being done by the two ways, that is by using MFA or without MFA. So for that uh, the options can be changed by user itself. So I will teach you how. I will tell you about how to change the settings. So we will go to the previous Chrome page. Here we will go to the home page. Then we will go to privilege identity management. From there we will go to Microsoft Entra roles. From here roles we will search AI administrator. So here we will select. So here we will do role settings. So here the activation maximum duration is 8 hours. On activation require none. Require justification on activation yes. So now we will edit here. So as you can see the on activation require there is none. So if you want multi-factor authentication it can be changed from here Azure MFA. So we will change it to Azure MFA and update it. As you can see the updating role settings, it is being updated. Now we will go to the new Chrome page that we are on which we were working upon. Now to activate it, we will need to write here I need it. By clicking on activate, it will get activated. By passing these three stages, we will see that list will show that the role is activated. So it will get automatically refreshed. Now we will go to Azure Active Directory. Now we will click on user, click on Bhavigopal and check the assigned roles. As you can see, AI administrator roles is active. Now we will click on it. As you can see, AI administrator role is being added to the list and it will be showing the starting time as well as ending time. Now we will go to the home page. Here we will write privilege identity management. Now from Microsoft Entra roles, click on the access reviews. Here you here we will add new. So the name will be added as sec PIM AI administrator. So the start date will be remain same and all other settings will remain same. Now we will select the role by typing here AI administrator. So role. Now we will click on done. You can see the role AI administrator is being selected. Now we will select the reviewers. Here is only one reviewer by default, that is Bhavi Gopal. We will select it. Now we will check the completion settings. So it will remain by default, advanced settings. It will also remain same. Now we will click on start option. So you can see adding access PM administrator. So it is being added. Now we will go back to assess reviews. So the page is getting refreshed. So here we can see AI administrator. The role is being added. So by clicking on the role, we will able to review the details. So it is showing zero decisions. Now we will would able to review the details of the role. Now we will go to the PIM. So first of all, we need to start the role. Roles. So from here it will be activated. I need it. Save. So it is being updated. So now we will go to the PIM. So we will go to Microsoft Intra roles, assess reviews. The page is getting loaded. So now by clicking on AI administrator, so here you can see that the project is being now activated. So now we will go to the assess reviews. It is being initializing. So it will take some time to get activated properly. It takes approximately 30 to 40 seconds to get updated. So now the status is being changed to active. Now we will click on AI administrator. Here you can see that the status is being activated. Now we will go to the privilege identity management. and review access. Click on AI Administrator. So now if I want to stop the running rule, so I will do this by writing deny. I will click on deny. But after denying also, access me is not denied. It means that it is active. To stop it, we will go to the stop option at the top, and after that confirming it on the option of yes, it will show review status as complete. So now we'll go to PIM, Microsoft Enter Roles, Review Access, Access Reviews, the administrator. So as you see, you can see the status is active. Only the changes there. That is, the color is been changed from not reviewed one to denied one. So to stop it, we will click on the stop option. Then yes, stop assess review. It is in successful, but then also it is being showing as completed. It is not stopped. To apply all the options, we will click on the apply option, then click yes. So yes, so the request is been. So as you can see, after clicking on apply option, the review status is applying because of any technical glitch. Previous time it was showing an error. I will refresh our page and go to Microsoft My Goals. So as you can see that all the three lists, eligible assignments, active assignments, and expired assignments, do not contain any AI administrator rule. So like this, all the rule is being completed. Thank you.